This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your CPU, your FPS, and your GPU performance up on your screen when you're live streaming a game or maybe recording, so you can go ahead and get some data for that. And this is actually relatively easy, or maybe you're just curious what it is. So the easiest way to do this is by getting up the Windows game bar. So you can press the Windows button and then just type it in under search. But I have multiple monitors and it seems like it never pops open where I want it to. So the hotkey for this is the Windows button and G at the same time. So press that. So Windows button and then G, and this will open it up. Very easy. So if you don't know where the Windows button is, let's look at my keyboard right here. And it's going to be this button right here. Windows button, G. Windows button, G. And that will pop it open very easily. And I like doing it that way because it'll actually open up on your specific monitor. And if we look, here's the performance down here. So I believe when we look at the top, we can see performance. Just make sure this is enabled. And we can go into here and kind of like mess with the different stats. And we can get rid of things, or if we don't want to see things. But we got FPS in here. We got the color, the position. But if we go to this little thing right here, this clip, we can get rid of everything else and just leave that up. So we can see my GPU is getting maxed out at like 97%, even though I'm playing Battlefield 4. And my CPU is at 8%. My RAM's at 30. And then there's the FPS, I'm at 97, 98. So that's not bad for Battlefield 4, which is an older game. So you can see all that data in here. Maybe you're trying to do something on Streamlabs OBS. And if you're looking for like a specific encoder, whether it's like software 2x64, something like that, you can see my CPU load is very low. So I can put all that recording, all that streaming encoding specifically on my CPU. Because my GPU is maxed out right now at like 99%. So I definitely don't want any more things on that. And it looks like I'm probably going to be getting kicked because the Punk Buster in here, that kicks you so easily. So very easy to go ahead and use Windows button G. And I believe you can shrink this too or make it a little bit smaller. So I like having that up on my screen. Otherwise, we can go down to Windows button and go to Task Manager if you can't find that. And Task Manager will provide you some of the same information. So we got performance, CPU, information, Ethernet, etc. But it's just a little bit harder to have up on your screen when you're playing. So very easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.